What's up, guys? Chris Nelson here, back at the Nelson residence, as you can see. So yeah, here I am, post Hurricane Irma. We just got a chainsaw from Lowe's. Today is September 14th, 2017. The hurricane hit on Sunday, the 10th. We came here on Monday, the 11th, to check and see how the house did. It fared pretty well. No real damage to the house. We're really thankful. Lots of trees and debris everywhere, obviously. Yeah, this is the aftermath of Hurricane Irma on my house in Naples, Florida. The mailbox is still standing. No idea how. This was the tree we were the least worried about too. So yeah, we're still without power, so that's kind of unfortunate. But we finally do have some cell service, some decent cell service. Monday we had cell service, but it was awful. It's so hot out. It's at least 90. I'm already sweating, and we haven't even started like cleaning up or anything. Wish me luck, guys. We lucked out like crazy. So this is our neighbor's, well, what's left of our neighbor's palm tree. I'll show you a snapshot of what the tree looked like. It was like right here. Missed our house by that much. It was like right over there next to that palm tree. Yeah, fell right down here. Our neighbor already cut it up. Shout out to you, neighbor. His name is Mike, I think. Shout out, Mike. Yeah, if this thing fell, that would not be good news to us. That's basically everything of our house. It's kind of ironic and funny. The only damage that happened to our house happened before the storm. That happened on Friday, a good day and a half before the actual storm started hitting. But yeah, we're just really thankful. I mean, we definitely lucked out. It could have been way worse. We're thankful, we're grateful. I hope all your guys' houses held up well, did okay during the storm. One of the reasons why I'm kind of irritated about Hurricane Irma is because my dad and I missed the first Viking game of the year, and they beat the Saints 29-19. And also the Twins played, and they won 16-0. We also missed that game. That would have been fun to watch. They hit a home run in each of the first 7 innings. So that's kind of crazy. Anyways, guys, I think I'm gonna wrap this video up. Thanks for watching. Hope all you guys are doing okay. Yeah, this is Encinos. I'm out. Peace.
Hallelujah.